Audrey, your Tupperware lady. Okay, so we're going to make the cinnamon rolls from our Tupperware breakfast, what?
Maker.
From our Tupperware breakfast maker. Okay. I'm going to take these out. We're going to open up the cinnamon rolls. You're only going to use 3. Oh, there you go. Okay. We're going to use 3 cinnamon rolls. Then we're going to put it in the microwave for 60 to 90 seconds. Okay, so I'm back. Put it in for 90 seconds. Yep, they're done. Now we want to ice them. So we put it in for 90 seconds and it looks like that's what did it. As you can remember, your spatula can turn into an icing stick. So here we go. You just want to sit here and ice your cinnamon rolls.
And you can do the whole package in 3 minutes.
And you can do the whole package in 3 minutes. That's nice. So you have dessert for the whole family, or breakfast, since it is the breakfast maker. Okay. And there you go. Cinnamon rolls in less than 2 minutes. And thank you for coming to my show.